himself, so I play with him as much as I can. So anyway, my bulldog, she did not sacrifice. I know she was very slow. She was very slow, so I'm not surprised she's old. So and she died, and she just slept, and that was it. It was just the end of her life, and she did not suffer, you know. And it was really, I think that was good for her, that instead of sacrificing, because I know a lot of dogs, like their suffer what they're been through, like people, but some of the dog has uh, what is this, cancer, and they put them down. But Ali, the bulldog, it seems pretty easy at that time at moment, and so what can I do? I do like to, so first of all, I like to say hi and everyone. Hello guys. Hello, who's there? Who is there? I'm cooking my chicken right here. I will fish to my chicken. Yeah, cooking chicken today, barbecue. And at the same time, I'm going to do my chores out here. I will be watering my plants so I can save my time. So that way, if I do this, I save a lot of time. So that's all you have to do, guys. If you are busy, you do multitask. And you can also um, exercise at the same time. Like, you know what I mean. Like, exercise also, it's like moving your body around. That helps a lot also. So you don't have to go to the gym. This is what I do. Up. No, I don't need that green. I don't need that green. How did I go like this? So will turn cover. So now I'm gonna start watering my plants, and I have to keep an eye on the my cooking also. So this is very I will put on the shower, because that was let's see. This one is much better. So my host asked, uh, I will water my plants here. Tomorrow I think my sprinkle system will be maybe running, because um, every other day my sprinkle system is running. So we put like an odd number. So tomorrow it will be 26. So we will turn on. It's automatically turn on. And today, Tubi, I wish you can help me to water my plants. All you have to do, just run and circle. So now I cannot stay longer here, and I will do, so I will do check my chicken, just in case if chicken burnt. We don't want to eat chicken burnt. So I put this in slow. I need to cook rice inside in a little bit. So ganito kayo mag-budget ng time nyo, guys. So kung mga YouTuber kayo, mag-budget lang kayo ng time, ganito, ganyan. If you are working, if you're working, you have to do like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, so this is what you do, guys. So to keep your, thank you so much for watching. Who is here? Just type so I can shout out your name, okay? So it's very simple. Just say hello and hi, and you don't have to stay with me. And instead of just staring at me, and you can give me a thumbs up. Oh, you don't give me a thumbs up, you're not nice to me. Oy. I'm just kidding.